G'day, it's Brenton here from Server Tribe, and I'm going to show you how to create an SMB share folder on Windows. SMB is widely supported and provides a flexible way to connect different devices and operating systems for file sharing. Following these steps, you'll be able to create a shared space for storing and accessing files on a network. The process I have here includes enable the file and printer sharing service, configure the firewall for network discovery, create an SMB share folder, set up appropriate NTFS permissions, and optionally, you can turn off the password protected sharing. If you would like to load this project that I've just shown you into your own instance of Attune and run it on your machines and your infrastructure, you can easily download a community edition of Attune through the Server Tribe website, and you can clone this exact project from GitHub. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us on our Discord channel. Have a good day.